Actions seen at the counter can be checked against what the employee actually rings up. With most POS products, Remote Eyes communicates with the system directly across the POS network. There are no text inserter boxes or other hardware needed to capture the POS data. Again, text is sent across the network real-time, that is by button press on the terminal, rather than when the transaction is finalized or tendered. Remote Eyes captures all data, every line of text that appears on the POS terminal. Exceptions such as voids, deletes,